In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create and edit swatches from any picture in Affinity Photo 2. So I have a picture ready here, and let's go to the Swatches window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Swatches. So here, you can first say when you have this one selected, or even if you don't have it selected, in the Swatches window, when you press this hamburger icon, you can say create a palette from document, and then we will choose as an application palette. And as you can see now, it took quite a lot of colors, all from this picture. And you can use this in your document. You can use it with a gradient map even if you want to. But you can also say that you want a color palette from another picture. And to do so, you go to Swatches again, and in the hamburger icon here, you choose to create a palette from image. And here you will select the image you want to use. So if you press select image, and then you go to the folder where you have the image situated you want to use. For this, I will choose this sunset image, and then you open it. Now here, by default, it chooses 5 colors. You can say if you just want to highlight midtones and shadows, for example, you can press 3 and then enter. And if you then press preview, it will show you the colors it's selected. You can also choose much more colors if you want to. Let's say you want 60 colors. Now Affinity Photo will choose 60 colors for you from this picture. That's maybe a bit too much, so let's pick 3 for highlight, shadows, and midtones. And then you press create, and now you have a new swatch here with the 3 colors from the picture you selected. And your swatches you can find here. So as you can see, we have the Asian woman, that's the one we created from the picture we see here. We have the sunset palette is from the picture we chose ourselves, and then you have the default colors gradient gray. If you want to remove a palette, you can select that palette so that you have that one here, and then you can go to the hamburger icon again and then choose to delete the palette, and it will say that if you're certain, then you press yes, and now it's deleted. There are lots of other options you can choose here in the hamburger icon. You can, for example, set this palette as a default for gray or CMYK, which I wouldn't recommend, but you can do so. You can remove the default. You can change the appearance, because as you see now, we have a list of colors. And if I go to the hamburger icon and I go to appearance, then I can show medium icons, or I can say small icons. And then I can also choose to not show it as a list, so that you get the colors shown like this. And let's make it medium or even large. This is really what you prefer. Then you can also export the palette. So let's say you have made a palette from this picture and you want to maybe share it with someone, or just keep it for yourself. You can export it. And then here you can choose where you want to export it to. And as you can see here, it is an AF palette file for Affinity. And we will rename it Asian Woman and save. You can then, let's say we will delete this one just to show you. So delete the palette. Yes. And now it's no longer here. As you can see, I only have the default palettes. What I can do now is go to this hamburger icon and then choose to import a palette as an application palette or as a document palette. Let's take application. And then you go to the folder where you saved it. You have this palette and you click it and then open it. And now you have the palette available to you again in the swatches window, as you can see here. So that's another thing you can do from this hamburger icon. So there are lots of things you can do. You can rename your palette, you can duplicate your palette, you can add palettes, and you can also, let's say that this color here, the purple color, it's not available in this palette. If I want to add it, I can just click this little icon here, which says add current fill to the palette. and now it's also available in my palette. Lots of things you can do in Affinity Photo to create palettes from a picture you're working on, but really from any picture just by choosing that picture, using the hamburger icon, and then importing, exporting the appearance in which your palettes are being shown. Set as default, delete a palette, duplicate a palette, rename a palette. All those things are available in the Swatches menu using the hamburger icon. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.